Okay, so today I teach you how do you help your downline to pass KYC. Who join by using your referral code in Pi Network, you can notify him to pass KYC. So watch this video until the end and do same whatever I am doing here. So open your Pi Network. You can see here this is Pi Network, and now I'll show you my KYC. So you see my KYC verification, Facebook verification, email verification, all is passed. And I will show you my migration also, my net checklist. See, all thing is complete. My transaction also, you can see here everything complete here. So now I'll teach you what you to do. You go here, then you click manage. Click here, increase transferable balance. Then you see here everything here, write down. You can see here below are your referral security cycle member that you have notified their identity is KYC top to ping member button below and send to a notification reminder eligible member. You can see here this one all not yet passed the KYC. So you click here the ping member. Now you can see congratulations, your team has been notified to complete KYC. You will be able to notify your team again after 24 hours. So after 24 hours again you do until 1 week, then your all team will get KYC slot. Who haven't get KYC slot, who not yet get KYC slot. So help your team member, help your downline who join by your who join Pi Network by your using referral code, and help them to for verification. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the Facebook page.